And today I'm going to be showing you all my PS farm animals. This is the smallest one that I have. I still have my LPS dogs and LPS cats. Okay, so let's get the first family. I need two families. There. There's one family. We have the mother, Samantha Hoof. She is a Neopes, yellow and red. I call her Candy Horse. And her name is Samantha Hoof. This is the older daughter, and her name is Tracy Hoof. She is a Neopes brown horse, which I like to call a swaddle horse. And yeah, name is Tracy Hoof. And there's little baby Ella. She's a baby candy horse, well, one of those ball things. But me and my sister call them balls. Me and my sister call them babies. Okay. Next family, well, last family. This is a really short one. I don't have that much fun. And they're all new LPS. That one just fell like that. Okay, and what's that one? Okay. I got the mother, Lily Lamb. She a Neopes. Sheep. Blue sheep. And yeah, her name is Lily Lamb. And then you got the older daughter, Meadow Lamb, who I think is a meadow fairy. I can't remember. So, yeah, meadow fairy. I'll just call it that. And her name is Meadow Lamb. Then you got the older daughter, the younger daughter, Katie Lamb. She's a yellow lamb. Neopes, and her name is Katie Lamb. Okay. Not spelled as normal K, it's spelled like Katy Perry. Katie. I love Katy Perry. That sounds so cool. And you got the baby who's in a little ice cream suit called Bobby Lamb. He's a little blue sheep like his mother. So yeah, that is all my farm animals. Very small. That's only how much there is there. There's a lot of cats, dogs, sorry, and a lot of cats. So this is the smallest. Bye.